Hey guys, so Samsung is doing we never saw coming. Gone those days when TouchWiz was laggy interface and Samsung was one of the worst performing phone with slow security patches and Android updates. Back then OnePlus came to the market with its amazing stock interface, proper monthly security patches, but now according to the latest information and reports, Samsung is killing it in the software department. Yeah, in the non-pixel devices, Samsung has taken the first spot beating OnePlus in this game. With the One UI and changes in Samsung software team, Samsung has rolled out official Android 11 to total of 14 devices and still counting. OnePlus on the other hand has officially updated 2 flagship devices, and that's OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. Rest on the betas, which is no shocker. On Samsung side, we have 2019's Galaxy S10 series, Galaxy Note 10 series, Galaxy Z series, and even Galaxy M21 and Galaxy F41. The low budget Samsung phones have got latest stable One UI 3.0. Then if you compare, we have Nord N10, Nord N100 still running Oxygen OS 10, so this is simply not looking good. Second issue where Samsung is winning is OnePlus is intentionally breaking Gcam with the latest Oxygen OS 11 updates. Now Gcam developer has taken over his blog saying that he's not recommending OnePlus anymore. And the only reason is OnePlus is not letting them modify the camera application on the OnePlus 770, 880 and Nord. This is likely cause OnePlus is concerned about security issues and they want people to use their own camera application, and maybe cause they don't like the negative feedback from users about the stock camera issue and no optimization. Now thing is, I got it, OnePlus is concerned about security, but their stock camera application is simply not as good as what Gcam can take, the images Gcam can take. And then they are blocking the last option to fix the image processing, the only way developers and users are making use of years old IMX586 at its best via Gcam. So not acceptable in my opinion. Good news is OnePlus plans to work with Google for the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro camera software, and they are planning to fix all those processing issues, but this does not mean they'll block the previous users from accessing the Google camera port. Yeah, I hope they'll fix it in the future, and of course they have to focus a lot on software updates. This is not good for OnePlus. See, overall we don't have any alternative to OnePlus like amazing software with no bloatwares or spywares, value for money phone, but there's a con: if they fix it they can beat Samsung easily. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Your thoughts in the comment section, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.